Yeah, I was thinking this morning, like to make a video and just put my opinion. It's my opinion only, so if I offend some of you, that's fine, I guess. But I just want to talk to you. Have you guys ever noticed, when you're out and about, or you run into somebody that's fake, you know, and it's so obvious they're fake, you know, pretending to be something they're not, or I guess I don't know where I'm trying to go with that, but like some people they want to pretend and try to be something that they think people would want to see them as. You can tell when you talk to them that they don't want to talk to you, or you see them talking to somebody else and they put on that persona like they're interested, or they go to church, and they don't even understand the meaning of religion, but they go to church because they think that's how they should appear to people, as good Christian people. And they're not. They don't understand what religion is. But they go just because they think that's how, people, put themselves off for, other people. They think that's their perception of them. Like, oh, they're a good, honest person. They go to church. And a lot of people ain't happy, with themselves. And, they struggle in life just because they're trying so hard to be what they think other people should see them as. And I don't get it. Don't try so hard. Try hard to be happy with yourself. You know, be happy with who you are for yourself. Don't try to be something you think other people would want to see you as, or how you think you should be seen as. Don't worry about that. Don't give a shit what people think of you. Care more about what you think of yourself. If you're honest and you're doing stuff for yourself, people are going to like you more. Because then you're not going to come off as being fake, you know? And people can tell. People can tell when you're fake. So be real with yourself. If you got stuff in yourself you don't like, you can work on that for yourself. But work on that. Don't try to pretend out in public that you're somebody that you think people would want to see you as. Don't worry about what the public and other people think. Worry about what's in your heart. You know, work on yourself. Don't work on stuff or do stuff or pretend to be somebody you're not when you're in public. You know, be honest with yourself. You know, like when I go to bed at night, I think about myself, what I did and how I was all day long. I think of that. And I think of stuff that maybe I should have changed to make myself happier. And that's what I work on for tomorrow. I think about that. And then when I wake up in the morning, I start working on what I didn't like about myself the day before. Improve yourself. But don't go out and pretend to be improved and perfect, you know? I see people all the time that think they're perfect and better than other people. You're not. You're not better than other people. If you think that, you're wrong. There's good people all over the place, but the ones that are pretending to be better than anybody else, you look like a fool. You should feel a little foolish, even for worrying about what other people think, because that's how you come off. Don't come off as that. If there's stuff you need to work on in yourself, work on that. Because when you're fake, it is so obvious you're not happy with yourself. That's why you pretend so hard to be like that in front of other people. I can tell you're struggling. Everybody can tell. Don't worry about that, what other people are thinking of you. Worry about what's in your heart and what you think of yourself. If there's stuff you need to work on with yourself, take care of that. You can do that without even mentioning it to anybody. And if you're honest with yourself, you're going to feel a lot better. And you're going to do a lot better with other people. Because you're not trying to be on edge and trying to be better than somebody. There ain't one person that's better than anybody else. Not one. Be honest with yourself. Because boy, those of us that have a good heart and are good with ourselves, we can tell. We all know when you're acting, trying to be better than other people. Believe me, you're not. You're not better than nobody else. Be the best person you can be and quit being fake. It drives me nuts watching people out in public being fake, But you need to work on that. Work on yourself. I do it every day, and that's what I do. When I go to bed at night, I think about how I felt about how my whole day went, how I felt, not about other people's feelings, how my feelings were about myself. And I think about anything I did throughout the day or everything I did throughout the day. How did that make me feel? And not what other people did to me. It's what I've done to myself. I work on being honest with myself and being comfortable with myself. Because I think if you're not comfortable with yourself, you'll be way uncomfortable with other people. And it's obvious. So I guess that's my advice to you for the day, and work on that. I ain't mentioning any names, but you need to work on that. That's more important, is how you feel about yourself. Because when you're trying to be, that perfect person around other people, you're fake. It is so obvious you're fake. Don't be fake. We all know it's fake. And we know there's something in your heart that you don't like about yourself. You can't be that way. That's your problem. Get comfortable in your skin. Get comfortable with yourself. And there's a lot of you like that. You try to be that perfect person. You don't come off as perfect. There ain't no perfect people. Nobody's perfect. But you don't come off as that in front of other people. You come off as thinking you're better than anybody else. That's how it comes out to us. To everybody else. You cannot be perfect. And don't try to act perfect in front of other people, because it comes out like you're thinking you're better than everybody else. That's how it comes off. And it's rude. That is rude. If you think you're better than other people, that's rude. And people know that. And they can see. And they know you're having problems with yourself. And if that's you, work on that. You need to work on that. We need to get people spiritually and emotionally fit. Work on yourself. You know, if you're thinking you need to be this perfect person, you're not going to be. There's nobody perfect. But you can improve on yourself. And to start with, you got to improve on how you feel about yourself. You know, nobody cares for you more than yourself. And if you're not comfortable being with yourself, you're going to struggle. And believe me, you come off as being like you think you're better than anybody else, or, your crap don't stink. Because it does. It does. And drives me nuts watching people. I almost got to interrupt them and say, hey, wait a minute. But I don't, because I don't like confrontation with, people. But I think that's the biggest reason, is you're unhappy with yourself and you're trying to appear different, like you're better. You're not. You're not better than nobody else. But try that. When you go to bed at night, think about how did you feel about everything that went on that day. Everything you said, think about that. And then pick something out of that. All those things you done wrong throughout the day, think about that. And try to fix one thing tomorrow. Try to make tomorrow better than today. For yourself. Not for anybody else, for yourself. And try that for a while. And see how it works out for you. And I think you'll be happier. You'll be a lot more comfortable. And you'll notice people treat you different. People will. They can see that. When you're not better than nobody else, they're comfortable with you. You can have wonderful conversations with people. And that's enjoyable. You can have a wonderful conversation once you realize that, hey, maybe your turd stinks, just as much as the neighbors. You're not better than nobody else. And just acting like it, it's obvious. You look like a fool. So quit it. Quit trying to be better than other people. Take care of your own emotions. If there's stuff there you need to work on, guess what? You have tomorrow. There's always tomorrow for improvement. You can't change what happened yesterday. You can change what's going to happen tomorrow. That's the biggest advice I can give to anybody. You can change tomorrow. And don't forget about yesterday. That's the past. Do not forget about that. Learn from it. That's why the past is there. Think about it and learn from it. Think about how you felt yesterday. And think about how to fix that tomorrow for yourself. Not for anybody else, for yourself. And remember, you're not better than nobody else. We're all here on this planet to enjoy it. I think it's time you start to enjoy it instead of it being a miserable place to be for you. And forget about what you think you ought to be. For other people to see. Other people don't look that close at you. You look at yourself closer than anybody on this planet. You're the one that knows you need to fix stuff. And I'm just here to tell you other people see, or how they perceive you when you're acting to be good. You're acting, it looks like you're acting like you're better than anybody else, and you're not. If you get anything from this at all, realize that. There's one person that can fix you and be the person you want to be. It's do that yourself. Quit acting. You're not better than nobody else. And you realize that, you know. Work on yourself. Get comfortable with yourself. If there's something you do that, or whatever, you can fix that yourself. You don't even have to ask for help. Self-help. That's what we could call it. Or maybe somebody else calls it self-help. I don't know. I just want you to know that it's real. You can fix yourself. You don't need psychiatrists. You don't need none of that. Just think about what you did today and how you felt. Once you're comfortable in your own skin, people are going to like you a whole lot more. And everything will be better. Life will be better. You'll get more enjoyment out of everything instead of acting like you're somebody you're not. You know, we need to work on that. You know, humanity as a whole, we need to work on that. And don't worry about what your neighbors are doing or what other people are doing. You know, help yourself. Make yourself better for yourself. And don't worry about anything else. Don't worry about what people think of you. That's not what you need to worry about. What you need to worry about is the person that matters the most, yourself. And deal with that. That's where you need to fix stuff. But, well, I guess that's my rant for the day. I was sitting here having coffee, but I went to a thing yesterday and I run into that a little bit. Where people are better than other people, you know. I just want to take this minute to tell you you're not. So, well, you fix that.